Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tabitha and today we are going to talk about how to invest for passive income for the month of October 2025. We have already been doing these activities for the last few months, and today we are going to invest some of the few dollars that we have in our account. It's not the priority, so we are just building it slowly by slowly. So once we make it as a priority, we are going to make a big move or really take it seriously. Now, the next step is to move our money. So we need some money so we can buy more of our shares that pay us dividend. So if you go from there, you will go move money. This is Adivat. Move it. You click deposit. So from deposit, you have so many options. So I use the Visa debit card. So we choose a Visa debit card and we put all the information that we want, and we are going to submit and move our money. Once we are ready, we can now go and see what types of stocks we are supposed to buy. So we are taking 100 from our bank account to our Questrade passive income account. You click next and then confirm your transaction. So you get 100. So let's deposit $100 for this month. You say next. Then click confirm. So now we have our balance here. We have 105 amount that we can invest in dividend stocks that pay us dividend monthly or quarterly. So let's look at our position that we already have. Sometimes we add a new position or we just buy the existing one. So if you look at the one that has reduced in value is this one, Allied Properties. And this one, when you buy it now, you will buy more of this. So this other one has also increased in value like 4%. So do we want to buy that one, or we would like to buy the XEI? So this XEI has increased 2%. So it's just high now. But our focus is not the capital gain. So we are not going to get all these ones. We're just keeping it for passive income. So it's a long-term account that is going to pay us dividend monthly. So capital gain, we will make them in the other videos, in the other account. So let's see which one are we going to buy. So if we buy this one, we are only going to buy 1 shares, and it's really, really increased in value, which is 92 to 92 from 89. So we are not going to buy that one, and we are not also going to buy this one because it's also up. So let's see if we can buy Allied Properties. When we now come here and we calculate the amount of shares that we are going to buy with 105, and then we are going to buy 5 shares. You're going to buy half of a share. So how I get that number is by taking the amount that we have, which is $105, and then divide it with the hash price. So, and we are not going to waste time using limit order, so we're going to use market order. So now let's look at our transaction. We have $5 shares times 18.94. You see, it's already changed by 1 cent. So it's going to cost us 94 $94.70, no commission paid, and we are going to remain with $10 as our balance. So send. So now we have 11 shares of Allied Properties. But how much dividend do they pay a month? So if you look at this part, Allied Properties paid 15 cents per share a month because it is REIT. So REIT pay their dividend monthly. So if you have 11 shares, so how much dividend are you going to get a month? So far we are only going to get $1.65. So that's the amount of dividend we are going to get every month until we add more shares. So we only add $1. So can we make it to $2? And how much do we have to invest? So now let's check report. So you can see how much dividend we are getting paid every month at this point. Most of the time, if you just buy them after a dividend pay date, and then you are only going to get paid in the next month. So let's see. So now let's check the statement to see how far are we, how much are we making so far. So that means it excludes some of the shares that we just bought, maybe last month or this month. So let's see. So let's look at the September 2025. So let's read a statement, account statement for our passive income for the month of September 30th. They send it to you on the 30th. The balance is $1,803, and all the personal information has to go. So let's move down. So now we come to the hand and we see investment incomes. So this amount does not really reflect the whole amount that we get in this account. And the reason is one of the dividend paying stocks that we have there is Bank of Scotiabank, right? So Scotiabank only pay their dividend after 3 months. So only this one is for the other monthly dividend that we have invested in. So the only amount that we have for per today is $2.50. So it's very little. So, but if we combine it together, I am very sure that it is around $10 per month if you add um, the quarterly dividend inside. But for now, what shows on our account for this month is $2.50. So if we landed on the month that Scotiabank pays their dividend, and then the amount will be higher. Okay. So that's about it. That's how you check the thing. And so if you look at the income that we saw in the statement and the amount of shares that we have, it does not really reflect the amount that we actually getting. So if we added the quarterly paid dividend, it's going to be more. So far I'm sure that it is about around $10 per month. So the next target will be $20 per month. And we continue to grow until we have more what the amount that we want to earn per month on this account. So if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching and thanks for your support.